Hey folks, we're here. We're making biscuits. You can make biscuits, put them in the oven and eat them for breakfast or whatever. Let's get started. I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour. And I put it there. And I've got 1/4 cup of Crisco. And I got a pastry cutter, I think that's what you call it. Or you can just use a fork, or you can use what God gave you, hands. But we're going to start off with pastry cutter. We're going to blend the shortening in with the flour so it's crumbly. Or you just take a fork and just mash it down like this. And I've got about a cup of buttermilk. I'm going to pour in there. I'm going to stir around till we get all that. You want your batter to be kind of wet, but not, you don't want it wet, and you don't want it dry. You can always add a little bit more flour, or you could add a little bit more buttermilk. I'm going to have to put in just probably 2 tablespoons of more buttermilk. I'm going to take this little flour and put it down on the mat. Get that all put a little bit with my hands. Kind of a little flour around it and in it. So it's not sticky. Flatten this down. You want to get about 10 to 12 biscuits out of this. I wouldn't flatten this if I'm making biscuits to eat, in a pan. But when I put it on top of my pot pies, I like them a little bit more flatter. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put the dough together like this and make a few more. And one more. Alright. Made 12. You put them on top like that. I've got my oven at 350. I hope you try it and you like it, and God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.